What is the best thing about visual effects? It is to remove the subject from the background and place them into a virtual, unreal environment. So there are two things that I use to do this, and let us see what is the difference between them. Now let's get into the video. Two types of screen I use to remove the subject from the background, that is the green screen and blue screen. Now let us see where is it used and why is it used. Now when you take a look at the color wheel, you can see there are two colors that are opposite to the skin tones that is present here. That is the green and the blue. So we are going to use green and blue as the background to remove the subject from the background. With this idea, you will get a clear look on why blue and green screen are used instead of other colors. That is because of the skin tones that is present in the color wheel. Now let us see why green and blue are used one over the other at some scenes in visual effects. There are few pros and cons when it comes to green and blue screen. Both have their advantages and disadvantages. When you take the green screen, it is very bright and has high luminance compared to other colors, as you can see clearly in this chart. So where to use the green screen? You can use the green screen in places with broad daylight. As the green screen has high luminance and is very bright, it is specially used in daylight scenes. So green is actually bright, it won't take that much light panels to light up the green screen evenly without any shadows or tones. So why green screen is mostly used in daylight scenes is because it will form a white outline that is present around your subject. So whenever this is present, when you keep your subject in a dark background after keying, as you can see there's a simple white line or a bright line that is present. So if you want to remove this, you have to do a lot of work in keying. So that is why the green screen is mostly used in broad daylight. When you place the subject in a daylight background, which is bright, it will blend very well. Blue screen on the other hand is less bright and can be used in dark scenes. As its luminance is also very less, it is mostly used in nighttime and night shots. Now we can see the clear difference that is present between the blue screen and the green screen. Now let us see whether they have a disadvantage or an advantage one over the other. Spilling is a very common error that can be seen in green screen keying. It happens when the green screen or the green color falls on the subject. But here the blue screen has very little spill and it also can be avoided by using the blue screen itself. Blue screen is used in fast moving shots to remove the spill in a right way. That doesn't mean that the blue screen has a lot of advantage over the green screen, because the blue screen is very less bright compared to the other colors and its luminance is also very less. It requires a lot of light panels to light up a blue screen more evenly. One more main difference between the blue screen and the green screen is you can't use a green screen when the scene is full of green objects, because the subject will also keyed out. So at these places, the blue screen is used and it goes vice versa. There's a slight disadvantage when using a blue screen, as it is a very common color and can be used in different aspects. Now you see the keen color difference why green screen and blue screen is used in VFX and not any other colors. Now you can see the keen color difference why green screen and blue screen is used in visual effects. I hope you learned a thing or two. If so, like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Thank you.